All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow, it's like I'm learning the game with the maker I already know now. Destiny has my name.
What's up, YouTube? Right now you're hanging with Jacob. We doing our first giveaway, y'all. Our first giveaway, we 200 away from 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe and click on that bell. But we doing our first giveaway, y'all, and we giving away our Oreo Nintendo Switch, y'all. So we at the person's house right now, y'all, and we about to give him this Oreo Nintendo Switch, y'all. So let's see what happened, man. Let's see what happened. He about to come on. What's up, man? Yo. What's up? We got the same thing, yo. Damn, what you look like? Crazy. You got on the same thing. Damn. But hey, man, enough of that, man. I just want to give you your Nintendo Switch, man. You deserve it. You won. You support us. You subscribe to our channel. You click on all the bells on all the channels to get that notification. Get that notification. I meant to say, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, man. We want to give this to you, man. Enjoy yourself. Thank you, man. Thanks, man. Aww. Yo, this is crazy. Yo, I always wanted one of these, yo. I always wanted. Now me and my son could do something together, yo. This junk is banging, y'all. We out here, yo. Alright, y'all, while he gone, man, make sure y'all smash that like button, subscribe, click on the bell. And we got another box. We got another Oreo box. We about to do an opening. So let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. Alright, y'all. We're gonna open the box first, man. I'll open this box before, y'all. So, alright. I don't wanna mess up the box, so I'm gonna open it up the right way, y'all. So when you open this, how it look. I'm gonna order another controller like this. Cause most of the games that come with Switch, this controller right here is better than the other one. So we got the two controllers right here. Well, one controller right here. You still can play two players, but it depends on the game with the two controllers. This is the screen right here. The screen is bigger than the regular one. So this is the screen right here, y'all. Put that to the side. I don't want to mess that up. I'm gonna let y'all see the back and stuff. Got a little button right down there. It's like a C-type. Oh, come here. Alright, you go to the count. This is what you hook up to the TV right here, y'all. Oh, the console. Let me take this out right here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Dang, that look pretty. Yo, that look nice, yo. Ooh, it go right with my PS5. Oh, wait. This little HDMI cord that come with it. There's two slides to the controller. This got to be the power cord. This got to be the power cord right here. Last but least, the back to the controller. Let's see what color this is. Oh, it's just black. I thought it'd be black and white, but it's just black. Still look nice. Alright, y'all. We done, y'all. I know y'all black. That's your twin right there. No, I don't know that man. That man from a whole nother state, y'all. That man from a whole nother state, yo. So, what you got to say now? Cause I know you're gonna say something negative. I know you're gonna say something negative. People always say something negative. This is a negative world right now. This is a negative world right now. But we out.
But I know the one who does know how. Oh wow. It's like I'm learning the game with the maker I already know now. Destiny has